Namaste.
Namaste.
Om
Sri
Shri
Dhanavantare Namaha. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Myself, Dr. Deepak B. Hadagali, Sri Krishna Yogashrama, Sanjeevani Chikitsalaya, Guledgut, practicing from past 14 years.
Myself, Dr. Lakshmi, consultant Ayurveda and Yoga physician, practicing from past 8 years at our Sri Krishna Yogashram.
As we all know, the whole world is affected with dreadful disease COVID-19 coronavirus, and until now there is no any specific medicine or vaccine. We have only two options, that is, one is social distance, another one is to build up our immunity.
As far now, we know so many measures or information regarding prevention, like having nutritious food enriched with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, etc., and also Ayurvedic preventive medicine and kashayas.
Is it enough? We know the size of the coronavirus, which varies from 0.05 to 0.2 micron according to the recent Lancet journal, whereas our WBC cells have 15 micron. So, by this, it's clear that we have so much strong defense mechanism in our body, but because of stress, anxiety, and fear, we decreases our own immunity.
So, to overcome from this, now we are going to focus in this video on pranayama.
Pranayama means to control over different variations of our breath, which helps us to overcome from stress, anxiety, fear, and to improve respiratory health and immunity system.
Now we are going to tell about 5 most important pranayama which has tremendous effect in improving our immunity. Let's see what are those pranayama and how to practice it.
First one is tiger stretching breathing. Stand upon your both knees and place your both palms with one arm difference in between your knees and palm. Now inhale, raise up your head and stretch up the spine upwards. Then exhale, head down. Try to touch chin to the chest. Extend spine downwards. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. With this, all the three lobes of the lungs get expanded and contraction. Also, billions of alveoli get activated to receive more oxygen.
Now second one is Bhastrika pranayama. One has to sit either Vajrasana, Padmasana or else on chair also. Now inhale, lift both arms up with forceful exhale arms down. It has Tivra, Madhyama and Mandagati. Mandagati can practice by everyone, that is both children and old age people. Practice it for 2 to 3 minutes. Precaution should be taken. Those who have high blood pressure, cardiac problem should practice slowly, that is Mandagati practice. Third one is Kapalabhati, also called skull shining. Sit in Vajrasana or Padmasana or Sukhasana or even on the chair with joining of the thumb and index finger, that is Jnana Mudra. Now start with practice of forceful exhalation only. Concentrate on abdomen muscles that should move in when you exhale. Don't worry about inhalation, it will occur passively. Continue it for 2 to 3 minutes. Precaution should be taken. Those who have high blood pressure, cardiac problem should practice slowly, and one should avoid this pranayama who suffer from spinal injury, hernia. The repeated contractions of belly helps massaging internal organs, removes the toxin from blood barrier and helps to detoxify whole body. It improves digestion and thus helps also increasing immunity power.
Fourth one is Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, that is alternate nostril breathing. Sit in a comfortable posture with a straight spine. First exhale through left nostril by closing the right nostril. Inhale from the left side and then close the left nostril. Exhale through right nostril. Inhale from the same right nostril, then exhale through left nostril by closing right nostril. Continue the same procedure for 5 to 7 minutes. This pranayama energizes the three nadis, that is Ida, Pingala, Shushumna. It balances the three doshas. According to Yoga Shastras, our body consists of 72,000 nadis, and these nadis can get detoxified by this pranayama. Fifth one is the Brahmari, the humming bee bird sound pranayama. Sit in a comfortable posture. Place your both thumbs in ears and close your eyes with other four fingers. Now inhale slowly while exhale make sound of maka, that is bee bird sound. This pranayama creates positive vibration in brain and all over body. By this, pituitary and pineal gland get stimulated, which releases the endorphin hormone, makes fresh whole day. It also stimulates the thyroid gland, which produces natural killer cells that which kills the foreign intruders. So please practice all pranayama which are most helpful in improving respiratory health and immunity system by releasing stress, anxiety and fear. धन्यवाद. आयुष्मान भव,
स्वस्थ भव,
दीर्घायु भव.